To customize lock screen on POCO C75, start by opening settings. Right now, keep scrolling into wallpaper and personalization and start by selecting lock style. So first of all, we can actually find some themes, and let's say that I would like to customize, for example, this theme. So I'm gonna pick, for example, this wallpaper, and by clicking on the customize button, as you can see, by clicking here, we can actually change the font of this clock. So as you can see, it will look actually a little bit different. We can also change color of font, of the dots and digits, and we can also get the multicolored digits. Then you can click done, and also you can pinch right here to crop, so you can change the look of the wallpaper. You can apply some filters, like we can even add the matte effect. And of course, by selecting this option, we can simply change wallpaper from the default one, or for example, from the local photos that we have on our phone. And when you basically click apply, you will actually finish with this customize process. And for sure, you can change these other clocks right here. So as you can see, it actually looks a little bit different. It actually depends on the theme that you are gonna select.